I will show you how to go viral on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, starting right now. 2 days ago, while watching random YouTube videos at home, I discovered a channel that uploads anime explanation videos. I was surprised to see that this channel is monetized. Without wasting time, I went to my studio, turned on my PC, and checked the channel's stats. In the last 28 days, this channel has made over $12,000 by uploading videos they didn't originally create. Curious, I looked at the channel's total earnings, which were estimated to be between $400,000 and $1 million. Additionally, the channel has garnered over 150 million views by copying and pasting videos. In this video, I will teach you how to copy anime videos from a Chinese app and re-upload them to YouTube. All I ask is for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I promise not to disappoint you. Step 1 is downloading videos from Chinese websites. The first thing you need to do is open your Chrome browser and search for Kuaishou. Click on the first link you see. Since we need anime clips and don't speak Chinese, use Google Translate to set the translation language to simplified Chinese and type anime. Copy the translated text and paste it back into the Kuaishou search bar. You'll see many anime videos. Browse through the videos and select one with high engagement, as this indicates it will likely perform well on YouTube. Click on the video you want to use and copy its link. To download the video, use a video download site, link provided in the description. Paste the copied link, click Submit, and then Save Video to download it to your device. You can find the download option by clicking on the 3 dots. This process will help you get the anime clips you need for your content. Now comes the exciting part. To get this right, pay close attention to the next step, finding a story. Instead of using AI to write your story, I recommend using Pinterest to find super engaging stories for free. Log into Pinterest and search for a story. Pinterest will provide you with stories that can get tons of views on YouTube. Take your time to find a unique story. Once you find a good one, click on it and save the image to your computer. Next, we need to convert the image to text. Open any free image-to-text converter online. Upload your image and click on Submit to extract the text. Give it some time to convert, then copy the text. This will help you create engaging content for your channel. Now that we have the script, it's time to generate the voiceover using DubDub. The link to DubDub is in the video description. To create your voiceover, click on AI voiceover. Before pasting your script, let's change the voice to a cartoon character or a teenager's voice. Click on More Voiceovers, then select Age and choose Children. I'll be using Gabriel Adams, but you can choose any voiceover character you prefer. Paste your script, click on the play icon, and then export your voiceover. This will give your video a unique and engaging audio element. Let's put the video together using Capcut, or you can use your preferred video editing software. Before importing your file, click on Modify and change your aspect ratio to 9:16, which is for standard YouTube Shorts. Save your settings. Now import the anime clip and voiceover. First, drag the voiceover into the timeline, then drag the clip as well to remove the audio that came with the clip. Right-click and select Extract Audio. Then delete it from the timeline. You can see that the video is longer than the voice. To fix this, we need to split the clip. To do this, use Ctrl-B and then Delete button to split the excessive part. After that, align all the scenes and click on Speed. Change it to 1.8. Now your clips will be perfectly aligned with the voiceover. Let's add a filter to the video. Click on the filter icon and select Clear 2. Then drag it into the timeline and make sure it covers the whole timeline to add captions. Click on Caption and select your spoken language, then hit Generate to make the captions engaging to viewers. Select a template under Text. Go through the provided templates and select the one that best fits your preferences. I will go with this style. Increase the size of the caption and position it where you want. Finally, let's add background music. Click on Audio and search for anime. Pick one and add it to the timeline. Reduce the audio to 20 and cut out the excessive parts. Then click on Export and select 4K so you don't lose quality when uploading. We have finished creating the video, so let's preview what we have created so far.
There was a girl who was playing in the park when she saw a picture in the bush. She kept the photo, but forgot about it until she was married. Her husband asked, "Who is that little boy in her wallet?" She answered, "My first love." Then the husband smiled and said, "I lost this picture when I was 9 years old."
Posting 2 to 3 videos per day for 3 months will help you see significant growth on your channel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. I'll be replying to all comments.